Video is for giving an introduction about our cloud-based SMS platform, which one is known as msg.mtox.com. Through this platform, you can send SMSs to your customers by manual effort, like uploading your contact and uploading your content. And if you want, then you can also integrate our API into your systems, like website, application, or any CRM. So let's start. You can get our URL in the description of that video, through which you can log into our web portal. Don't worry, if you don't have any account, then you can create a demo account free of cost within a 20 second. And for that, you have to click only this button, which one is known as sign up. When you click, you have to give a small information to us, like first name, last name, mobile number, mail ID, and a small introduction about your company. You will get a user account and password in your mobile phone, is a registered mobile phone, within 20 seconds. That is quite simple. So now start with the login to our portal. So this is the landing page of our web-based application. Okay, there are a lot of options you can see at the leftmost corner: dashboard, compose, multimedia, manager, reports, developer, long code, missed call, short code. I will explain you everything in the series of videos, so don't worry about it. Now let's start with some basic functions. Like at your IP, you can see that you can see your IP. Here's the date and time. Here's logged in as, it means that your username, and that transactional, it means that what kind of route you have. It is promotional. It might be transactional. It might be OTP. That is totally depend on your requirement. That what the route you have taken from MTOX. Now this is the notification section where you can get all the notification, all the new updates about our portal. And here is in the profile section. When you go, you can see your profile, like your name, your company address, and all. If you want, then you can update them, account expiry date, and you can change your password as well. So now go to the purchase history. It's a very important thing. In the purchase history, you can get the details about your account, that when you have done a top up or when you have recharged your account, at what time and date. You can get a brief information about that. Now go to the alert section. What alert section means? Alert means there are a lot of options available through which you can get a notification or an alert at per your requirement. Let's suppose if you want you a daily SMS users report and credit alerts, then what you have to do? You have to enable that checkbox, write down your two or three mail IDs, which one is separated by comma, maximum three IDs are allowed, and update changes. So it means that daily usage report and credit alerts will be given to your mail ID each and every day. Now, what is low balance alert? It means when your account has a low balance and you want to get a notification that in your account there is a very low balance, you have to recharge it, so that you won't miss any notification or any SMS gap to your customers. What you have to do, you have to check this checkbox, write down your credit limit, like 5,000 I have written. It means that once your account is below the 5,000, then you will get a notification to your registered mail ID. You can give three mail IDs with a comma separator at here. And what about the get daily basis alert of delivery reports or user wise? This option is totally for resellers, or you can say that who are taking a white label panel from us. This will helps him or gives him a daily report according to the user wise. So what they have to do, they have to check that checkbox, write down their email addresses with the comma separated, maximum three email ID are allowed, then update the changes. Now come to the self-security. Self-security is an option through which any user can allow a limit to their account, so that 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 limit will be used for sending SMS for each and every day. As you can see that I have dropped a limit at my account in transactional route for 10 lakh. It means that each and every day my account is able to send 10 lakh messages. But if there are more than users 10 lakh, then the message will not be delivered, because I have created or I have put a credit limit at that in this account. So now this is login history. You can log in that in which IP and what time you have logged in each and every day, and this is a logged out button. Now most one of the most important feature that we have comes to the dashboard option. So in the dashboard section, you can see that we have a lot of different channel or routes that depend on the operators. We have a tie up with every operator, so we have different routes. This will represent you that what kind of connection you have taken from mTalks, like transactional, OTP, promotional, and all. So now when we go to that below section, this will represent your reports. Okay, so you can see today's report. There is no consumption. Customize. You can customize your own search. Like let I'm searching that entire this month. So when I click, then I get a pie chart, and it will represent that total 35 messages are delivered today in this month from 1st of September to 27th of September, in which 34 messages are delivered, only one failed. I'll explain you the different meanings of all this in the later section. And you can also get a summarized report, or you can say a report of last 7 day, last 15 days, this month, last month, everything in the dashboard section. So this is the basic concept that we have about all these features. Let's end this video and start with another video with the compose section. Thank you.